everybody, this is Tasha with Prep For It. So I'm going to the barn because I'm putting together a prep I got a few weeks back before I ended up having to have surgery. So it's been long overdue, and I've been potting my plants in the house on a table instead of on this, but it's a new potting bench. So I'm gonna go put it together and I'll show you the finished product. Bye. This is the box for my potting bench, and I'll show you as we put it together. Almost there. Be back in just a little bit. Alrighty, everybody, this is Tasha with Prep For It, and it is done. For the most part, I put it all together myself. It was really easy. My husband was in here working on some stuff though, so he did, like when we were putting this shelf in, he held one side and everything, because that way it wasn't as difficult for me to maneuver. But otherwise, it's really simple and easy. Is it the sturdiest thing ever? No, but it does have a drawer, and it came with hooks for each side, which I liked. I can hook my gardening tools on. And so yeah, I think it'll work for my purposes anyways, for now. So anyway, and I thought it was made of PVC, but it's not. It's made of wood, but it does come with this PVC to help kind of protect this top shelf. As you can see, one side has a place you can lift, and it has like a sink area there. So I like that, although I probably won't use it very much. I may surprise myself. But anyway, guys, that's it. I'm gonna put this up on my front porch, and from now on I can plant my seedlings there instead of in my kitchen or in my dining room where it's making a huge mess. All right, thanks guys for watching. I appreciate you. God bless. And guys, remember, prep for it. Prep for it all. Bye.